our novice category. Up next, we have Mossy Strawberry Cosplay. They are dressed up as HIIII Miku, an original design from All right, after that,
Hello. Fuck.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Sorry. I heard swearing and I thought something went wrong.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah, we are on our way to Anime Crossroads I almost said 2015. 2025.
2015! Woo, we're having a good time!
That was a good year.
I was 13.
I was 15. Well, I was 14.
In 1 mile, turn left onto South
I was
Carroll
capable of
Road.
driving. I ain't say anymore.
That was the first year I went to Anime Crossroads. My mom drove me in her little cabriolet, and we lost the fucking exhaust pipe on the way because every time I went to this con as a kid, it always snowed in. So it'd be like, oh my god, we can't go. And I'd be like, we have to go. My mom would be like, don't worry, get in the convertible, let's go. And it's like, I don't know, like 6 inches of snow. And she's driving in this little car, and then the fucking exhaust pipe just pops off, and it was so loud on the way there, and she just kind of looked back at us and was like, I think the exhaust pipe's gone. But yeah. Yeah. We have lots planned. It's gonna be fun. Woo! Woo! Con season has commenced.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello. Of course. I do the little dance.
Wait, hold on. There we go. Oh, fuck.
Sure, here you go.
There we go.
Here, do like a full.
Look at you! Oh, just watch out. There are people coming. Oh, I just started recording, sorry. Oh, do you want? Oh, I was about to say. I was about to ask if you wanted to take off your badge for the pictures. Yep.
Hello. The cow. Yes. Yeah. We are. If I can get this to stay. My wig's always doing something weird. I don't know. Yeah, we are in these right now, and then I'm gonna get into Tartaglia later. So we've got the cool, crazy outfit on. I can't like do too much, otherwise I'm gonna just. I guess I can.
hold it?
No, we're good. I just didn't want to accidentally. I mean, it's not like you're not gonna see anything. I'm obviously wearing stuff.
But I really do. I'm gonna hold.
Slovenia.
Please say you got that.
Pretty sure I got it.
This is what it's like to go to a convention with the friend group. Moss is doing their mating dance.
It's not just moss. It's mossra. Half moss, half moss. All cosplay. What's cold?
Midriff.
Okay.
Me skin. Me skin.
I'm just doing things for photos.
I don't know why I'm dancing.
I don't either. Why are you? Distracting.
Do you mind getting tall photos? Would you mind?
Tall photos?
Yeah, TJ's gonna do a quick kind of, or back behind the scenes.
Good. Hands.
How's the lighting look?
To be honest, it's hard to see.
Do you want me to?
See again.
I can see clearly now.
Okay.
The brain is
How's it
gone.
look?
Um,
I can do cool, darker lighting as long as it looks nice.
the children are fighting again.
Sorry.
God help me.
I thought he was handing it to me and I went, oh, my bad. I'm learning how to hold a lightsaber. Wow. The Jedi Master. Hello! Let me clean this. Hello. Hello! We are changing cosplay slash checking into the hotel and kind of getting things ready. So here I am. We've changed outfits. Hang on. Yeah. We are getting ready to go run to the store and exciting. Yeah, I'm going to be Tartaglia, child, whatever, for the rest of the evening. So, what do you think?
I know.
What do you think?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Oh, y'all go back inside, have fun. I will have to look for another parking spot.
How's it going, guys? We ready? Woo! Woo! Will you record for a second?
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita. Hey, girly. Hey, girly. Hey, guys. Look, no hands. Oh, shit. She moves. Hello. We are vibing in the hotel. We are eating food and relaxing and
Hydrating.
Yes. Getting ready for another couple hours on the floor. We,
Sorry, I promise I'm not undressing. I'm just unzipping the top half of this.
This is for YouTube, not Twitch.
wait, what? What? I wanted to
Do you
say
mean
something.
OnlyFans?
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
just
God.
went to Twitch. I'm sorry.
I mean, Twitch.
been a day.
Some people strip on Twitch.
I
and
mean,
don't know why.
I did look at a train today and scream, plane! But yeah,
This
been-
is for YouTube, not Twitch.
that's gonna
God.
be the
That's
name of the vlog.
Please.
This is for YouTube, not Twitch. Hello, Kevin. I'm gonna switch it. Hello. Kevin is lounging. Spotlight on Kevin, and then the camera said no, absolutely not.
So basically,
The camera literally like reflected away from Kevin. But yeah, guys, so it has been an eventful day. We went to the store. We got our drinks. We did a little bit of shopping. I did a little bit of shopping, and yeah, we went to opening ceremony. We got lots of photos. There's still lots to do. We have lots of content planned. If we get to do it all, we'll see. But yeah, so yeah, first things first, I guess. We are going to go to the dance after we get food, and then we're gonna break it down to Boogie Town. Yeah, we're very low energy. This first con is like hitting really hard just because I've been in college and trying to make cosplay at the same time with work, so it's just kind of like, why am I here? What am I doing? So yeah, so if I seem very low energy this weekend, that is why. No, I slipped.
That's how you spell it.
Woo!
we mentioned this literally before we even came out here.
We're hanging out. Me and TJ are
You look like
drinking responsibly. Mine's like a Malibu and theirs is kind of a vodka.
It's beef. I like it.
And then Kevin's the responsible adult.
responsible.
Do we?
I never.
I had to check. I forgot what word I was doing.
A bee.
I got eczema.
Eczema what?
We're just being fucking idiots. We're we're re-energized. We're going back to the con.
I'm gonna fucking crash.
You're gonna fucking crash?
I said I'm gonna fucking crash.
Okay, I was slightly concerned there for a second.
We are back in the room. Some nice foods. Did some TikToks.
They're straps.
We almost
I can't take myself seriously.
we almost made a fool of ourselves in front of the pizza delivery guy.
Yeah, I felt like I was standing there awkwardly, like I just got done having sex or something. Like, I'm just like, I don't know what to say.
But yeah, the room's really nice. There's a sink without a bathroom, and then a bathroom without a sink in there. And then we got a microwave. Moss, that's what a microwave looks like.
It's not as safe? No, that was funny because like Matsuri-con, I was like, oh yeah, we have a microwave. Fucking duh.
No.
No.
I really
Put your wallet in there, it's gonna fry.
I really, really wanted you to put something in there and then be question why it wasn't cooked.
Well, to defend myself, I was just walking around the hotel room and I saw it and I said, oh, that's a microwave. It didn't even look like a microwave.
I mean, it kind of did. Black square, had numbers on the
Well,
side.
it was pretty small. Like it was pretty narrow.
Had numbers on the side. Black square.
Yeah.
Sleep deprived.
Sleep deprived.
Hello. It is day 2. Wow. We've got Bunny Miku. We've got Fox Miku, and then we've got
Kevin.
I ain't sure yet. My brain's still booting.
Here, TJ. Let's see the cosplay. Miku. They have little bows on their ears.
One of them's falling apart.
Also, I have cartoon shoes.
Yeah.
Wow. Here's the contest cosplay and its glory. We've already run into a couple hiccups, but it's okay. The wig looks like crap. I do not compete for wig styling. I compete for sewing. So, woo. But yeah. Ta-da. Let me get a full body shot. Can we like zoom out? Oh, here we go. Apparently I had it zoomed in. Here she is. Oh no, you saw the grippers. Oh shit.
We are headed over to the con. Moss is in Miku.
I am in Miku.
And we have friends.
And we have friend. Oh. Honestly, you look more like a slasher with the giant weapon. Then again, I can't see shit out of this wig. Look at that. Bit of a taste squeeze. Sorry. Okay,
We're taking some photos.
Oh, I was about to say, what if we did something like...
Ooh, what are we doing? I want to see what we're doing.
Just let me know.
Nothing's real.
Yeah. Having a sit-down break. How you doing? You doing good? Yay!
I've never done it like that sharp.
You've never done it that sharp. Oh.
That's what I usually
Oh, God.
We did it. Hatsune Mallow.
Okay, are we going back now? Are we
I think
ready?
so. Oh, well, hold on. Let me put on my wig and grab my stuff.
Okay. I want you to stand over here for me. It's probably gonna be better. Can you stand over here for me?
Some behind the scenes.
There we go.
Finally have our full Miku group with Hatsune Mallow. The leak. Oh.
Look at him. Give me a peace sign. Yeah. Woo. Hi guys, we're going back to the con. We took a break, got food, and then our hotel broke. We couldn't get into our room. We were like, what? So we had to get that fixed. But yeah, we're all good. All back on schedule. So we're going back. Probably gonna make some more TikToks. It's warming up a little bit. And then gonna vibe. Right now I'm kind of looking for friends because I'm giving out business cards because they have funny stuff on them. So, woo.
In our novice category. Up next, we have Mossy Strawberry Cosplay. They are dressed up as HIIII Miku, an original design from All right, after that,
I love taking characters and making original designs out of them. Obviously, Hello Kitty. And this was a beautiful redesign, original design of Miku. I loved how they talked about it. They were so passionate about it. It was all just amazing. I loved it so much.
making their way downtown, up on the stage safely. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mossy Strawberry. All right, let's bring up all of our winners and the judges for one big group photo. For our judges' yes page, take your clicker, please.
I love taking characters and making original designs out of them. Obviously, Hello Kitty. And this was a beautiful redesign, original design of Miku. I loved how they talked about it. They were so passionate about it. It was all just amazing. I loved it so much.
Let's give it up for Mossy Strawberry. Making their way downtown, up on the stage safely. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mossy Strawberry. All right, let's bring up all of our winners and the judges.
You just fucking won an award!
Ah! 6 competitions and I won!
Oh my god.
Sup, freaks?
I love the way you began that.
Hello. Hi, everyone. So we are going back to the con. I just got out of cosplay and into something comfy. I was gonna be child in a narwhal outfit, but bitch, the wig it's staying off. The wig is off. The cosplay's gone. Cosplay's over, bitch. Anyway, sorry, I'm a little nuts right now. We're getting ready to go vibe, get some celebratory drinks. Kevin's getting water shots. Yeah, to celebrate winning a cosplay award, because what the fuck was that? I didn't expect that. Everyone in my row pretty much won an award. Almost everyone. That's insane. Sorry, you can't see me. I could do whatever the hell I wanted. You'd never know. I'm a little hopped up on energy. But yeah, so that's what I've got right now. So stay tuned for more shenanigans. The weekend is almost over. But not us. That didn't make any sense. Hello. Hello.
Brains. Ain't got none.
We are getting into Dio cosplay. So it's not my usual like precise makeup. It's very much just kind of fun. So Let me turn around so you can see. Get up close. Yeah, so we'll be down there here shortly after we wake up and get packed. This con went by really fast. At least to me it did. But yeah, so bye-bye.
Look at you. Do a little spin. Look at you.
The boots broke. As soon as we put that.
Oh, don't fall.
As soon as we put them on this morning, they broke.
Oof.
So, yeah, we're not gonna trail around spray paint and foam in the convention center all day.
So you got these.
Because guess what? He's a vampire. It's canon. It would be the regular way. For the TikTok.